Easy fix of hot pot.
I need my hot pot express. Something is wrong. Smells like a burning electrical wire. I need a handyman.
Hello, I am your handyman. Let's do some quick fix. I will demonstrate to you how to fix a hot pot. First, prepare the tools. Remove the rubber footings. Remove all the screws. Open the bottom cover and visually inspect the electrical parts for physical damage. C. The electrical terminal is corroded, and the electrical wire is cut and burned. Let us repair this broken wire. Clean the electrical terminals by using a file or sandpaper. Check the resistance of the hot plate by using a digital multi-tester A. In this case, we measured 38.8 ohms B. The reading is regular for a heating coil. Connect the electrical terminals by soldering. Put back the bottom cover and measure the resistance from the service cord of the appliance. 14.6 ohms. The resistance is normal, and it is safe to plug your device. Test run your hot pot express. Switch on the temperature control.
Thank you for the excellent coffee.